Short questions and answers of linguistics.
What is semantics?
Semantics is the study of the meanings of words, phrases, and sentences.
What is signifier?
Signifier is the sound or pronunciation of a word.
What is signified?
Signified is the meaning indicated by the signifier of a word.
What is conceptual meaning?
The basic meaning conveyed by words. For example, the word needle means thin, sharp, steel instrument.
What is associative meaning?
The type of meaning that people connect with words. For example, the word needle may be associated with pain, illness, blood, drugs, or knitting.
What is the example of a semantically incorrect sentence?
The horse is reading the newspaper. This sentence is structurally correct but semantically incorrect sentence.
What is semantic role?
The part played by a noun phrase, such as the subject, in a sentence is called semantic role.
What is other name for semantic roles called?
Other name for semantic role is thematic roles.
How many common semantic roles are there?
There are 7 common semantic roles. They are agent, theme, instrument, experiencer, location, source, and goal.
What is synonymy?
The lexical relation in which 2 or more words have very closely related meanings. For example, conceal is a synonym of hide.
What is antonymy?
The lexical relation in which words have opposite meanings. For example, shallow is an antonym of deep.
What is hyponymy?
The lexical relation in which the meaning of one word is included in the meaning of another word. For example, daffodil is a hyponym of flower because flower is common name for different flower.
What are cohyponyms?
2 or more words that share the same broader category are cohyponyms. For example, dog and horse are cohyponyms as both are animals.
What are homophones?
2 or more words with different spellings and meanings but the same pronunciation. For example, two and two.
What are homonyms?
2 words with the same spellings and pronunciation but different meanings. For example, bank can refer to monetary institution, and bank can also refer to riverbank.
What is polysemy?
A word having 2 or more related meanings. For example, foot of a person, of bed, of mountain, etc.
What is metonymy?
A word used in place of another with which it is closely connected in everyday experience. For example, a crown is used instead of a king.
What is collocation?
Words that frequently occur together. For example, salt and pepper.
What is macrolinguistics?
It is concerned with the way languages are acquired, stored in the brain and used for various functions.
What is historical linguistics?
It studies the history and development of languages.
What does sociolinguistics study?
It studies the relationship between language and society. It tells how language is affected by social factors such as gender, ethnicity, age, or social class.
What is comparative linguistics?
The study of similarities and differences between languages.
What does ethnolinguistics study?
It studies the relationship between language and culture.
What does forensic linguistics study?
It helps in legal domain to identify speaker from voice recording, etc.
What is cognitive linguistics?
It describes how language interacts with cognition, how language forms our thoughts. It is the study of language as a mental phenomenon.
What is neurolinguistics?
It deals with the relationship between language and the structure and functioning of the brain.
What does applied linguistics study?
The study of applying linguistics to real-life situations, for example language teaching, etc.
What is computational linguistics?
The application of computer science to the analysis, synthesis, and comprehension of written and spoken language. If you have enjoyed this lecture, then please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.